Time for learning! Today we will learn about blood.
Blood is a mixture of a liquid called plasma with red blood cells and platelets floating in it. Blood looks red because there are many more red cells than white cells. There are many more red cells. There are 5.5 liters of blood in your body. Plasma, raw-colored liquid. It is mainly water with things dissolved in it. These include digested food from the intestine, carbon dioxide, and urea waste from the cells, and hormones from special glands located around the body. Red blood cells in the marrow of large bones, such as the ribs. They are round, with a halo on both sides, which increase their surface area. Red blood cells are red because they contain a chemical called hemoglobin. Their job is to carry oxygen from the lungs to all the cells in the body. Red blood cells are unusual in that they have no nucleus, which means they do not live for more than a few moments. Red blood cells pick up oxygen as blood is pumped through the lungs. Hemoglobin joins with oxygen to make oxyhemoglobin, which is bright red. As it travels around the body, the oxyhemoglobin changes back to hemoglobin, releasing the oxygen to the cells. Without oxygen, the blood is a dull red color before it is pumped back to the lungs to collect more oxygen. White blood cells. White blood cells have a big nucleus and can change their shape. Their job is to protect the body against disease. Some white blood cells eat the microbes that cause disease. Others make antibodies or antibodies. Antibodies are chemicals that destroy microorganisms by dissolving them. There is a different antibody for each kind of microorganisms. Antibodies break down toxins, poisons that microorganisms produce. Platelets, broken off pieces of larger cells in the bone marrow. They help to clot the blood and stop bleeding at cuts. It works like this. Platelets cause tiny fibers to form a net across the cut. Red cells get caught, forming a blood clot. The surface of the clot hardens to form a scab.